In this video, we will have a look at the standard report functions within Chintaro. Chintaro provides many ways to report and extract information recorded within the system. These can be categorised as either standard reports or statutory reports. Standard reports are formatted paper-based reports, which are designed to be printed and read. Statutory reports are designed to be completed and provided to state or national governing bodies and authorities. To access the reports function from the home screen, we go into Reports and Exports and click on Reports. This opens the Reports screen where we see 5 report categories that are very similar to our normal categories within Chintaro, which are Clients, Finance, Property and Maintenance, Tenancies, and Waiting List. If we click a report category, Clients for example, we see that below this there are a range of reports we can select. And in this example, we'll select a report about all of our clients that are currently housed. When we select a report, we see a report overview, user overview, and sample report are displayed. The report overview will give you a brief summary of what the report contains, usually with the column headings. The user overview is where you're able to enter information about the report that is useful to you and your organisation, such as use for end-of-month reporting. Next to this, we see a sample image of what your report will look like. This sample image is taken from the Chintaro training database and is designed to give you a preview of the layout of the report. This image will not show your organisation's data. You have to click the preview button to see the actual report with your organisation's data. The option to preview the report means that we can view the report on the screen. If we don't want to view the report, but rather send it straight to the printer, we click the print button. If we do want to preview this report, we click on Preview and see that the report comes up with all of our clients who are currently housed. And when we're in print preview mode, we will always see the first page. We can use the options up here to zoom in, to see less or more. We can fit it into the window. We can show 1 page or 2 pages at a time. And we can always click on Close to close the report and go back to reports in Chintaro. Now, we'll have a look at the finance reports. We'll select the Transaction Summary Crosstab report, and when we click this, we see Report Overview, User Overview, and a sample image of what the report looks like as before. But now there are options that appear at the bottom of the screen, and these are the report criteria. Many reports will allow us to enter a date range, and often there will be a starting date and an end date here. In this report criteria, we can see that we have the criteria set to transactions greater than the 1st of December 2018 and less than the 31st of December 2018 inclusive. So all transactions in December 2018 is the default for this report. When we click Preview, we see all of the transaction summaries for each of our properties for the month of December 2018. If we close this report, we can select a particular program to show in our report by clicking the drop-down list for Program, selecting Crisis Housing, pressing Preview, and we see just the properties in that particular program. If we go back and we want to pick a specific property manager, we can select the property manager, let's say Damien, and press Preview. And now we have a report that shows us all of the properties in our crisis housing program that are managed by Damien. So reports can be filtered down based on the selection criteria, and these will change based on the type of report you are generating. If we change reports to bank transactions date range, it will ask us which bank account we want to view. If we look at accrual methods charges summary by owner, it will ask us which owner we want to generate this report for. It's very common for the program field to be in the report criteria, and often you will have the property manager or tenancy manager on reports, but each report will have its own selection criteria. There are many reports in the system that you can choose from. You can go through these lists and find the reports that are suitable for your needs. And if you're having trouble finding any specific report, please contact Chintaro support so we can assist you. If you do not want the report image to show on your screen, we can turn this preference off. If we go back to the home screen, then to System Maintenance, Preferences, and System, we have an option here for Report Sample Preview. Here we have this preference set to Yes, but if we want to remove the sample image on the report screen, we just select No. Now, if we go back to the home screen, into Reports and Exports, click Reports and select Client Reports. When we click All Clients Currently Housed, we still see the report overview and user overview, but no sample image is displayed. If there's a report you're after, but you don't know which one is right for you, please contact support@chintaro.com.au and explain the type of report you'd like, and we'll assist you. If we go back to the Reports menu, under Reports, we have several other options for screens which will be looked at in future videos.